Good evening, front office. This is Nico speaking. How may I assist you?
Hello, I'm stuck in escalator. Help me, please.
I'm sorry to hear, sir. May I have your room number, please?
My name is Mr. Raka from number room 123.
Thank you, Mr. Raka. Which elevator are you in?
In an elevator near a restaurant. One, come here.
You're welcome, Mr. Raka. The engineer has just arrived and they walking to the open elevator. Please remain calm.
Okay, thank you very much. Come.
The elevator door is now open. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you for your quick assistance.
It's your pleasure, sir. We apologize for the inconvenience. Have you pleasant evening.